The world is moving faster than ever. In the rush to get ahead, we forget to ask what we're really running towards. At Standard Chartered, we believe true wealth is financial wellness and personal well-being. Through our series, we explore the best-kept secrets across the world that help bring calm, clarity, and rejuvenation so you can take better care of yourself. In this episode, discover how resilience isn't about pushing ourselves harder, but learning how to restore and renew, enabling you to protect what matters to you. Renewal begins with detoxification, a cleanse of the body and of the mind. This is why detox treatments offer restoration and help build resilience. Dr. Marian Alonso leads with an integrative approach, focusing on health and immune support programs.
Basically, think of detox as a way of creating space for the new that wants to come in the form of you wanting more vitality. So it's really just purifying your environment so you have this space.
While a detox program is one way to kickstart your well-being, don't forget to take up the benefit of annual health checkups included in well-rounded insurance plans.
We as human beings, we need sunlight. If you're someone who don't get to have sunlight or people who shift time zones, and one thing about sunlight is gives you vitamin D. Vitamin D is an anti-inflammatory vitamin.
Detox alone isn't enough. What we remove is only half the equation. What we replenish with is just as important.
For me, food is a powerful tool in healing. Organic vegetables is very important if you are doing cleansing because there's no chemical on it, there's no pesticides. Detox isn't depriving yourself, it's repairing yourself. For immunity, to have like a Mediterranean, like inspired with the Blue Zone diets, which is rich in phytonutrients, enzymes, and antioxidants.
A balanced meal plan has all the right ingredients. Similarly, a comprehensive insurance plan has all the right components to care for your physical and mental well-being. The process of rejuvenation doesn't stop with what we eat.
Detox is not just about doing spa treatments. It's more of like connecting to their inner core, touching to their emotion, touching to their own spirit. It is very important that we are actually in the environment that's totally free. Don't have to feel there's somebody judging us. Like the Hilot massage, traditional healing treatments, it aims to stimulate the nerves, increases the lungs activity, nervous system, as well as break up deposit found in the joints. You will become more effective because you think well. You become more resilient, you become more innovative, you become more creative when you are healthy. Life is a business, and if you want to generate more revenue, then you need to invest your health because health is wealth, and I think that's really important.
For many high performers, the demands never stop. That's when Apple Mendoza realized she needed a reset and not just a holiday.
I spent years pushing through, hitting quotas, balancing family commitments. I did not know how much I've normalized burnout until I stepped away from it. But the truth was, my body was carrying so much more than I realized. I was weighed down, not just physically, but also emotionally and mentally. And I had no idea how much I needed to let go until the moment I did. Stepping away, it gave me perspective. I started asking myself that time, how did I spend years investing in my career, but barely a fraction of that on my own health? I'd planned for success, for stability, but not for my well-being. Health isn't something to squeeze in whenever there's time. It has to be a priority. And I'm being just as strategic with my wellness as I've been with my work, including making sure my finances support the lifestyle that keeps me well.
Wellness isn't a luxury. It's an investment to a meaningful future for ourselves and our loved ones. At Standard Chartered, we believe true wealth is a blend of financial wellness and personal well-being. As you build resilience through the renewing power of detox, let the holistic insurance plans we offer support your health, so you can enjoy your wealth for the long haul. Now's your time for financial wellness. Talk to us about the comprehensive insurance plans we offer. Sign up for priority banking and enjoy elevated experiences, plus welcome gifts.